In this video, we'll show you how to begin tiling kitchen walls. This method is valid for any wall. First of all, it's important to emphasize that for good tiling, the walls must be perfectly flat, straight, and free of imperfections. The first step is to place a tile on the floor, near the wall, and draw a line on the tile with a pencil. Then, using a laser level, we project a beam of light about 2 millimeters above the pencil line. Under that line, we attach wooden strips with small nails, which will serve as guides for starting the installation. YouTube channel, you can also find other videos with different tile installation methods. Before applying the adhesive, it's important to thoroughly moisten the surface to be tiled. The tiles should also be moistened, but only if they are absorbent. In this case, it's not necessary because we're using porcelain stoneware, which doesn't absorb water. This step is crucial. If the wall and tiles are not moistened, the water in the glue will be absorbed too quickly, resulting in poor adhesion, with the risk of the tiles peeling off over time. The tiles must be measured, cut, and drilled before applying the glue. If you apply the glue and then waste time cutting, you risk forming a surface film that prevents the tile from adhering properly. Tiling begins on the wall, which hides the cut edges from view. These edges will then be covered by the subsequent tiles, which will cover the cut edges. After placing the tiles on the glue, apply light pressure and check the vertical and horizontal alignment with a level. Any problems must be corrected immediately. It is important to remove any excess material. The tiles must always be placed on a clean surface. Any residue can compromise the quality of the installation. After 24 hours, the strips can be removed and any adhesive residue removed. At this point, you can proceed with the application of the final row of tiles.